Yeah.
You want to be in my video? Okay, I'll let you be in it in a minute. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited. If you haven't seen from the title, I had like the best Rae Dunn hunting day of my life. Now granted, my Rae Dunn hunting days are like this long in comparison to like other people. And I just want to take a minute to personally thank Jessie. I 100% blame my new addiction on Jessie from Jessie at Home. If you're not subscribed to her already and you like Rae Dunn, here's a link, or here's a link, whichever side. Go follow her because, or go subscribe to her because every Sunday she does this really cool thing. She calls it Dunn Days, and she shares her haul and like everything she found the whole week. And it's one of my favorite videos and I look forward to it every week. So I blame her for my new obsession. If you don't know what Rae Dunn is, you will in a second, and I love it. So here's the deal. Everything that I'm about to show you, I found in one day. One day at 2 o'clock in the afternoon on a Monday. And I kind of feel like I don't deserve it because I haven't been hunting that long, but I was shocked. I couldn't believe it. So this is basically my Christmas present to myself and from my husband because I got quite a few things. So I'm gonna show you what I got. Everything is still in bags. I'm sure you can kind of imagine what's in here already. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'll show you guys are the mugs that I found. I have been looking for a peppermint mocha mug, a silent night mug, and a bah humbug mug forever. Not forever, that's not true. I've been looking for them. I have a lot of people looking for them for me, and I can't find them. So I don't know what the deal is with that. It's like really frustrating. Even though I found a lot of good stuff, I'm not complaining. So these are I got 3 mugs. I woke up like this. So funny, I love it. I didn't wake up like this. Actually, I had 6 people help me do my hair this morning. Ugh. So freaking cute. And then Grace. This is so cute. I love this so much. I had such a hard time choosing because I couldn't buy every single mug in the store. But my daughter's middle name is Grace. And I love the word and what it means and what it stands for. So those are some mugs that I got. Oh, and then I also found some other mugs. What? 2 o'clock in the afternoon I found these. They're mini mugs. They're super cute. Espresso, I don't know if you can see it, and cafe. These are like little espresso mugs. Super cute. I feel like those are a little bit hard to find. Okay, let's see. Remember, I've got all of this in the same day. All of it in the same day. I found this little thing. I have this like in the bathroom. I have a little bathroom set, so this is gonna go with that. And I love it because it's only $6.99. I feel like that's like a really good price, especially if you're a collector and like you spend money on it. Found this 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So when I was looking for this. I was looking for this specifically, the coffee canister and Christmas mugs. That's what I was looking for. And I couldn't believe I found this when I was looking for it. It's small, which is good because I either want, oh, probably need that. I either want them to be all the same size or 3 different sizes. I think it's like, well, I'll explain that more in a minute. So sugar. My daughter's very amused. Okay, so I told you I was looking for sugar and coffee. Found coffee. When I found it, my husband was standing next to me and I was like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Because you just never think you're gonna find them, you know? So super happy to find this. It's very cold. Let me just put this back here so you can look at it. I think I'll put this back here too. So cute. So cute. Okay, so these next things are the things that I was most surprised to find on a Monday afternoon at 2 o'clock in December. The first one is this one, Coal. Oh, the lady taped it down, that's why it looks like that. This is one of my favorites. Of all of the Christmas canisters, like I really like Coal the most because it's like different. So if you don't have all the Christmas canisters or you're not gonna collect all of them, I feel like this is like a good single one to have because it's like different. I don't know, I just really like it. If you have this, what do you put in it? I'm very curious. Okay, and then here are just some other things that I found. I'm serious. Okay, so I have this one that I found. And then the very last thing. Found both of these. Just sitting there. And you know what the funny part is? There were more. I left some behind. What? Guys, I say I had a pretty good day. I mean, seriously, like, I feel like people, some of these things are like people's unicorns. And I found them in like no time. It was crazy. So I don't know if my husband's gonna let me keep all this, but if you like Rae Dunn, this is probably kind of exciting. Again, I feel like it's not fair because I'm so new to it that like I just found these things. I feel like it's a little unfair that I found all these things and I'm like so new to hunting. Don't you come hunting with me? You do. And we look for this stuff together, don't we? Yeah. Trying to know me young. And there are some people out there that like look and look and look and look and look and never find them. So it's just a short, quick haul of all of the wonderful things I found. I am super curious because like I have the things that I want to find the most. Like I told you before, Peppermint Mocha, Silent Night, and Bah Humbug, like those mugs. Those are my unicorns. I would love to know in the comments below, like what is your unicorn? If you love Rae Dunn, what is like the one thing that you just freak out if you saw it sitting on the shelf? Let me know in the comments because that would be really fun for me to know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is something a little bit different for my channel, but like I said, these are probably my Christmas presents, so they're just not wrapped. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe because I think obviously I'm gonna have a lot more stuff like this to come. If you wanna find out the ending to my story, if I ever find a Peppermint Mocha mug, hit that bell notification so you get notified every time I post a new video. I love you guys and I hope that you are having a very Merry Christmas. I hope you're having a great holiday. I hope you guys aren't mad at me that I found all this stuff in one day. So I will see you guys in the next one.